Most students think getting a student visa is just paperwork. Fill a form, submit documents, wait for approval, and you're done. But here's the reality nobody tells you. One small mistake can delay your visa for months. Or worse, get it rejected completely. And that's exactly what almost happened to Jessica Turner. Jessica, a 22-year-old student from Florida, had already secured admission to a university in Malaysia. She was excited. Everything seemed perfect. Affordable tuition. International exposure. A fresh start. But just weeks before her flight, her visa process got stuck. No updates. No clear reason. Panic started setting in. Because, here's the problem. She thought the visa process was simple. It's not. And what she learned during that stressful experience is exactly what you need to know before you apply. Because in this guide, you're going to learn the Malaysia student visa process step by step for international students in 2026. No confusion. No outdated advice. Just a clear roadmap that actually works. By the end of this, you won't just understand the process. You'll know how to avoid delays, reduce stress, and get approved faster. Let's start with something most people get wrong. They think the visa comes first. But here's the surprising truth. In Malaysia, your visa process starts after you get admission. This is where many students get confused. So step 1. Get accepted into a Malaysian university. This is your foundation. Without it, nothing moves forward. Once you receive your offer letter, now the real process begins. And this is where it gets interesting. Malaysia uses a system called MGs. Education Malaysia Global Services. This organization manages student visa applications, which means you don't apply directly through the embassy first. Everything goes through this system. Now let's go step by step. Step 1. Accept your university offer and pay the initial fees. This confirms your place. But here's the problem. Many students delay this step. And that delays everything else. Step 2. Submit your documents to the university. This usually includes your passport, academic certificates, photos, and medical declaration. But here's where it gets dangerous. If your documents are incomplete or unclear, your application gets delayed or rejected. So make sure everything is clean, clear, and correct. Step 3. Your university submits your application to EMGs. This is where your visa approval process officially begins. Now here's something most people don't expect. This stage takes time, usually several weeks. And this is where patience becomes critical. But here's what you should be doing during this time. Preparing for the next steps. Because when things move, they move fast. Step 4. Receive your visa approval letter. This is a big moment. Because without this, you cannot enter Malaysia as a student. But here's the twist. This is not your final visa. It's just approval to travel. And this is where many students get confused. Now, step 5. Apply for a single entry visa if required. Depending on your country, you may need to get this before traveling. This allows you to enter Malaysia legally. Step 6. Travel to Malaysia. Travel to Malaysia. This is the exciting part. New country. New environment. New life. But here's the problem. Many students think the process is done here. It's not. This is where it gets serious. Step 7. Complete your medical screening in Malaysia. Yes. Again. Even if you did it before. This is mandatory. And here's the truth. If you fail this medical test, your visa process can be cancelled. So take it seriously. Step 8. Submit your passport for visa sticker processing. This is when your student pass is finalized. And once approved, you officially become a legal student in Malaysia. Now, let's go back to Jessica. When her process got delayed, she realized something important. She didn't understand the system. She was reacting instead of preparing. So she changed her approach. She organized her documents, followed up regularly, understood each step. Wow. And within weeks, her visa was approved. That shift, from confusion to clarity, changed everything. And that's exactly what you need. Now let's talk about something most students ignore: processing time. Because this is where expectations break. Typically, the full process can take 4 to 8 weeks, sometimes longer. And this is where it gets emotional. You start worrying, checking emails constantly, feeling stuck. But here's the truth: delays are normal. What matters is preparation. Now let's talk about cost. Because this is important. Malaysia is known for affordability. But the visa process still has fees. Application fees, processing fees, medical fees. So budget accordingly. Because this is where many students get surprised. Now here's something most people don't realize. You can work part-time in Malaysia as a student, but only under certain conditions. Limited hours, specific sectors, and only during semester breaks. This is not a full income source, so don't rely on it. Now let's address the biggest mistake students make. First, submitting incomplete documents. Second, ignoring deadlines. Third, not understanding the EMG system. And fourth, underestimating processing time. Each of these can delay your visa, or even cause rejection. But here's the good news. Every one of these mistakes is avoidable if you understand the process. And now, you do. Now let's zoom out. Why Malaysia? Why are so many international students choosing it? Affordable education, English-taught programs, multicultural environment, growing global recognition. When you combine all of this, Malaysia becomes a strategic choice, not just a backup option. But here is the final insight. Your visa is not just a document. It's your entry point to a new life, a new environment, a new version of yourself. Let's go back to Jessica. She landed in Malaysia. Nervous, Estonia. Excited, uncertain, but ready. Because she had gone through the process. She had faced the stress. And she had made it through. Today, she's studying, building connections, and growing in ways she never imagined. That's the real outcome. So now, imagine yourself walking through your campus, meeting new people, exploring a new culture. That future, it's possible. But only if you take action. Most people will watch this, feel motivated, and do nothing. But you? You're different. You're thinking ahead, planning smarter, and that gives you an edge. So take the next step. Get your admission. Prepare your documents. Start your application. Because the sooner you begin, the closer you get. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe. Because the next video might be the one that helps you take the next big step in your journey. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.